When you think networking, think communication. While computer and IT networking is not the same as people networking, like, say, at a work conference, the concepts aren't so different. Networking encompasses everything that makes it possible for computers, servers, and other devices to communicate. It includes the design, construction, and use of a network, but also the management, maintenance, and operation. A computer network is made up of nodes, which is anything that can receive, create, store, or send data along a network, as well as a shared medium for transporting data, like a local area network or the internet. In a human networking scenario, nodes would be the people, and the medium would be the language or conversation. Networking is an essential function that enables businesses and consumers to share resources, use or sell services, and communicate, whether over voice, instant message, or video chat. A network can be as simple as a home Wi-Fi setup, or as complex as managing thousands of nodes and rigorous security requirements for a large enterprise. Networks can be wired or wireless, but both typically require physical infrastructure, like switches, routers, and access points, as well as the firmware to operate the equipment and software that manages, monitors, and secures the network. Networks also rely on standard protocols like HTTP, TCP/IP, or UDP/IP to inform how certain data should be communicated. Want to network with Ion Tech? Subscribe, and please hit that like button too.